In this video, I will go over classes in JavaScript. Classes give us a convenient syntax to define state and behavior of objects. To create a class, you write the class keyword followed by the name of the class and then the class body. So it is a class keyword followed by the name. You can write it whatever. I'll call it my class. And then the class body. The class body can only contain method definitions. When defining a method, use the shorthand syntax, which is the method name, I'll call it hello, followed by the parentheses for your arguments or parameters you want to pass to this method, and then it's curly braces for your method body. This method, I'll just return hello world. So this is my class that I have created. It's called my class, and all it has is a one method called hello, which just returns hello world. Now, to create an instance of your class, you would use the new keyword. So I'll create my variable a and then equal to new my class. So right here I have an instance of my class object. And then to access the method, you just do a, or whatever your variable name was, dot the methods that you have defined. In this case, I have a hello method here, so I'll do a dot hello. This will call hello, and it will return hello world. So let me print that out, and then we'll open it in a browser and see the result. So if you type this up and open it in your browser, you should see hello world displayed. As you can see here. Now let's say if you wanted to create properties for your class, you can do so inside a constructor. The constructor is basically a special method that gets called automatically when creating an instance of the class. For example, when I did this here with the new my class. And then you can write the code to initialize your properties inside the constructor. So I'll do constructor, and then I'll pass a name variable to this, and then I'll create the property. To create the properties, do this dot your property name. So I'll be doing my name equals, I'll do name. So here I've created the my name property, and whatever arguments was passed, it will assign to my name. So instead of word here, let's say if you wanted to use that, you can do so with this dot my name. So when you create these properties, all your methods defined in your class can use them by this syntax, this and then the property name. So if you save this, so let me pass in, let's say John Doe. So when I create my class instance, it will pass in John Doe to this constructor, and it will assign my name as John Doe. And then when I call hello here, a dot hello, it will print out hello. And then since I had assigned this value when I initialized my class and created this instance for a, it will print out hello John Doe. So if you save this, you should see hello John Doe being displayed. As you can see here. Also note, you can also create the classes as expressions. For example, if I had done this var x equals, so this would uh, assign this entire class to x. So instead of doing new my class, you would be doing new x. And then if you open this in your browser again, you should see hello John Doe still. As you can see here. So that's pretty much it for creating classes. All you do is write the class keyword followed by the class name and the class body. And the body of the class can only contain methods. And the constructor method is automatically called when you initialize your object. So in this case, when I did new x, since x, I've assigned this class to the x variable. Right here, it will call the constructor and assign John Doe to my name. And then you call the methods by writing the variable names for your instance. In this case, I had a dot, I had hello, so I wrote a dot hello here. And then it called this method which just returned hello John Doe. And then I printed out in with this document.write method. So if you have any questions, do leave a comment below. If you like this video, remember to subscribe. Thank you.